Hey guys, what's going on? Jonatan here, and today I want to show you the proper squatting technique. And we start out by placing the bar on our shoulders and not on your lower neck, and really lock out, like squeeze your back muscles together and lock out so your upper back stays locked out, and place your feet shoulder width apart with your toes pointing a little bit outwards. And you breathe in and you go squat down about 90 degrees and you come back up again. And focus on pressing with your heels, push with your heels. Keep your chest up, out, so you don't fall forward. Keep your chest up and keep your lower back stable. Here you'll see the difference between when you're doing the right way and squatting the wrong way. So this first here, you can see knees are pointing outwards the whole time. It's a good form. And here, when your knees are going inwards like this, you want to be careful because you're gonna hurt your knees. You don't want to be doing this kind of form, okay? You can see knees are going inwards. And how you can train this is by take a resistance band, like a rubber band, and put it between your knees. And it's gonna trying to pull your knees inwards. So what you're gonna have to do is push your knees outwards, and you're gonna have to focus on that, and that's gonna help performing the right squat. Another thing you don't want to do is lift your hips before you lift your chest, like you see here. It's gonna put a lot of stress on your lower back. Make sure you lift your chest and your hips at the same time, okay? Like this, you can see the difference right there. And yes, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.